Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on SUI. Here on the SUI chart, we are still in resistance. Since yesterday, really, we've only seen consolidation. What I find interesting is that I recorded the Bitcoin video today, where I explicitly highlighted that Bitcoin has now reached a 61.8 retracement from the decline, measured from the decline that started in January, so up here. And yeah, SUI as well, and we're just consolidating on both charts. So SUI is really following Bitcoin accurately. I think it started a little later. It had to catch up a little bit, especially in this rally hit to the upside, because the decline was more substantial as well. But from a Fibonacci point of view, SUI is catching up and has reached the $3.46 level. This seems to be resistance. You might say, but we are above that level now. We are, but these Fibonacci levels, they are not like, you break above it by a cent and that's suddenly a breakout. No, we're kind of dancing around that level. I find that positive that we are holding above that level at the moment, that we're kind of consolidating around it, just actually dancing on it. You see that here. The market is dancing on that fib level, and it looks a bit like a bull flag. And you will see more detail on the smaller time frame when I'll open it in a minute. Just want to share with you that ideally, from a bullish point of view, we will get 5 waves up. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So it takes another higher low and another higher high to complete circle 1. Then the wave 2 pullback should be, let's say, the next setup. Then a third wave up would be ideal. Then a fourth wave pullback. Then a fifth wave. So things like that would be ideal as next steps. That's what I'm tracking here for this wave 5 of C. Potential 5-wave move to the upside in the yellow scenario. Now, to confirm that further, we need 5 waves up in circle wave 1. That's what we need to see. Yeah, a full set of 5 waves to the upside. So far, we only have a 3-wave move to the upside. And as I explained, I just show you the daily chart here every single day at the moment because I wanted to make sure everybody understands that we could just follow the orange count. What does that mean? It means that we just do it in one go. I mean, what if there is no wave 2 pullback, right? That's not what I expect. There's nothing telling me that at the moment, but I will always along the journey, every step of the way, I'm sharing with you the support levels, and they are still holding. So as long as micro support is holding for the direct move up that started in April to continue, we could just go higher and reach that target area directly between $7.35 and $10.91. Only a break below micro support at some point would suggest that circle wave 2 has started, which should, in theory at least, be a deeper pullback. Now, please be aware, this wave 2 here was shallow. It reached, I think, while it reached our support zone at the time, that was in September 24, it reached only like the 38.2 retracement, so it was shallow. And the one afterwards was even weaker. So sometimes when the market is bullish, pullbacks are weak. Okay, but this was also decent. This wave 2 that happened in April. Anyway, that should give you some clarity around the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame as well, and you can see here in a little bit more detail how that 5-wave move in circle wave 1 could look like. So I'm tracking here wave 1, wave 2. That's really unchanged. That was the low on the 16th of April. That was our wave 2 in circle wave 1. Yeah, circle wave 1 is that 5-wave move that we need to see here on the larger time frame. First 5 waves in circle wave 1 would confirm that a substantial low formed. But I'm not sure if we get this. Yeah, this clean 5-wave move to the upside. So we might just take it, just do it more directly. Anyway, I keep you updated about that. In theory, once Bitcoin starts the white wave B pullback, which I'm sharing on the daily chart, SUI should start at wave 2. Looking at the shorter time frame, third wave might be done, right? But this here is all consolidation. That's this kind of bull flag style movement that I shared. It doesn't really look like a bull flag per se, but it still kind of holds above nano support and high level consolidation. So what I want to say is it's not forming this ideal channel that we often see in bull flags. But yeah, anyway, as long as support holds, we could get one more high in wave 5. So looking at the smallest time frames then, my view is this was an overshooting B wave, this swing high that formed on the 28th of April. And now we're kind of working on a C wave. The question is this going to be all of wave 4? Or are we going to form a larger wave 4 as shown here on the smaller time frame in orange? I don't know. It will depend on whether the market can form a sustained break above $3.87. For now, main support here for wave 4 is at $2.80, $2.79, $2.80. That's the main level against which the trend is up. Below that level, I would say something is failing. Okay, the bulls are failing. Whether we touch $3.02, $3.32, we just have to see. For now, the overshooting B wave doesn't make it easier, because an overshooting B wave means that the C wave doesn't technically have to end below the A wave low, so it makes it tricky. What this does look like a nearly completed 3-wave move, but whether this is all of the wave 4 or just the A wave, we have to be a bit patient. Market should clarify that soon. What I would prefer is a more healthy wave 4, as shown in orange, to reach the area here at least between $3.02 and $3.32. I'll keep you updated about that. For now, any upside impulse should indicate the start of the 5th wave up. And the next resistances are $3.99 and $4.27. That's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, check out our channel page. Here you can find a 2-minute video that explains the member benefits. You get access to member-only videos. Today, for example, I covered Polygon, Bread yesterday, Bonk, Pepe, Rune. In addition to that, you get a lot of additional benefits if you're a gold member, like access to our Tradingview live charts, chat room access, live stream access. You can ask questions in the chat rooms. You get access to a lot of learning material. You can even put requests in on Discord. They're not guaranteed to be covered, but there's a process there. It's not an official benefit, but still we give our best. And also now, it's very new, we also cover gold and silver as additional asset classes as a bonus for those who are gold members. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.